My name is Frances Coleman. I'm the Head of Health and Safety at the University of Roehampton. My role was quite varied, and one of many tasks that I was asked to do when I first joined the university was investigate an online permit to work system and contractor management. We also wanted to provide a system that would be able to manage the basic requirement for contractors coming on site. So health and safety induction, insurance, competency certification. So we were looking for something that would fulfill those requirements. There's many reasons why only an online system was going to be suitable for us. The university is made up of a 54-acre parkland campus. We have 4 colleges on 6 locations and about 10 access points to the university campus. When we worked on a paper-based system, Microsoft Access database managed the contractor contact details and the basic information around contractors. So when we would get a permit application filled in on a form and sent in with the RAMs associated with the work, we would spend a lot of time trying to ensure that their workforce had completed their mandatory training. With regard to bringing a new permit to work system on site, the university sector not just has the challenges of resources, but also a diverse range of contractors and contracted services across a large campus, and sometimes the physical layout and the location of our staff is a challenge too. And we wanted each permit to be able to be generated, reviewed, approved, and the record kept of every permit on an online system, and also to be able to add on a hot work permit, working heights permit, or any amendments to the main permit when required, and that all of that would be able to be done online. The decision was taken to go with OneLook Systems primarily due to the flexibility. We've received positive feedback too from our contractors. So where the company user has been set up, they have access to go and check their workforce, add new workforce, update their insurance when it's coming to expiry, maybe add in certification for an MEWP or maybe work at heights training. And they're able to keep on top of their own workforce. Some of the things we have found really useful since going live is the map function and the calendar. They're very useful for overseeing multiple contractors on site working on campus at the same time. And it's also very useful for our campus security to be able to investigate which contractors should be where and for what duration and what date. Another feature of the permit to work system that we utilise on campus is called an event permit. This is a simpler version of the permit to work system, and it's proved extremely useful in managing student union events or conferencing events over the summer, where you have contractors and contractor services coming in on site, like lighting and sound, maybe catering, and they also need to fulfill their insurance requirements, health and safety induction, and competencies required to do the job. And once we enabled the mandatory requirements for health and safety induction and the insurance prior to a contractor being able to apply for a permit, this has completely shifted the responsibility to the contractor to ensure their workforce training is up to date. And as permit approvers on campus, we no longer receive any permits that don't meet the minimum requirements. So it's really freed up quite a lot of time in terms of permit management.